This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and in today's video I'll show how you can remove or add the watermark to your recordings on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile application, and here select the Hover tab at the bottom. Now launch Hover settings, scroll the settings page down for a little bit, and you'll find the watermark toggle, which you can switch off to remove watermark, or if you are a rare breed, should I say, and you'd like for your recordings to have the hover watermark, you can switch it on the same way, just by tapping on this toggle or on the toggle in front of a watermark option. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.